The heart and lungs are the foundation of a healthy body, working together to deliver oxygen-rich blood that fuels every organ. Today, we are diving into one of the most crucial aspects of maintaining a strong and healthy body: cardiovascular exercises. These exercises play a vital role in ensuring your heart and lungs function optimally, keeping you energized and active every day. In this video, we will walk you through some of the most effective and easy-to-follow exercises that you can incorporate into your daily routine. No matter your fitness level, beginner or advanced, these workouts will help improve endurance, burn fat, and strengthen your heart and lungs. Number 1. Walking, the foundation of cardiovascular fitness. For beginners, the simplest yet most effective cardiovascular exercise is walking. Walking should be an integral part of your daily routine, as it not only helps improve stamina and endurance, but also contributes to weight management and stress reduction. A brisk 30-minute walk each day can improve blood circulation, enhance lung capacity, reduce stress and anxiety, boost metabolism, and aid in weight loss. To make it more challenging and beneficial, try power walking or increasing your pace gradually. Number 2. Jogging and running. Elevate your endurance. If you're already comfortable with walking, it's time to step up your game with jogging or running. These exercises not only strengthen your heart muscles, but also enhance lung capacity and stamina. Tips for effective running. Start with light jogging and gradually increase your pace. Maintain proper posture and control your breathing. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of jogging or running at least 4 to 5 times a week. For an even greater cardio challenge, try stair running, a fantastic way to improve endurance, strengthen leg muscles, and boost cardiovascular efficiency. Number 3. Rope skipping, a high-intensity cardio booster. Jump rope workouts are one of the most effective full-body cardiovascular exercises. Just 5 minutes of rope skipping every day can drastically improve heart function, burn calories, and build endurance. Benefits of rope skipping: strengthens the heart and lungs, improves coordination and balance, burns fat faster than jogging, enhances overall athletic performance. If you're new to jump rope, start with 30-second intervals and gradually increase the duration. Number 4. Burpees, the ultimate full-body cardio workout. Finally, one of the best exercises for cardio fitness, strength, and endurance: burpees. This high-intensity movement combines a squat, jump, and push-up to engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Why should you do burpees? Increases heart rate quickly, improving cardiovascular health. Engages the core, arms, legs, and shoulders. Burns a high number of calories in a short time. Builds explosive strength and endurance. Even 2 to 5 minutes of burpees daily can lead to noticeable improvements in stamina and cardiovascular health. Conclusion of the video is: start your cardio journey today. By incorporating these powerful cardiovascular exercises into your daily routine, you're taking a major step toward a healthier, stronger, and more energetic life. Remember to stay consistent to see long-term benefits. Start today, stay committed, and transform your health. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite cardio workout? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more valuable health and fitness tips. Stay healthy and stay active.